Welcome to Can Do Greek by GreekPod101.com.
Γεια σε όλους, είμαι η Χρυσή Παπαδοπούλου. Hi everyone, I'm Χρυσή Παπαδοπούλου. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use parting greetings.
Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Greek ebook before it's gone.
This is Karen Lee, and she's talking with her former homestay mother, Penelope Tsanakaki. As Karen says goodbye, her children join her in saying goodnight. Focus on the way each person says goodbye.
Τα λέμε σύντομα.
Καληνύχτα. Καλή ξεκούραση.
Τα λέμε αργότερα.
Once more with the English translation.
Τα λέμε σύντομα.
See you soon.
Καληνύχτα.
Good night.
Καλή ξεκούραση.
Rest well.
Τα λέμε αργότερα.
See you later.
Let's take a closer look at each of these expressions.
First, do you remember how Karen says, see you soon?
Τα λέμε σύντομα.
This starts with,
Τα,
literally, them.
τα, τα.
Next is,
Λέμε,
we tell.
λέμε, λέμε,
Note,
λέμε.
is a shortened form of
Εμείς λέμε,
we tell. In Greek,
εμείς.
we is usually omitted, as it can be understood from the context.
Λέμε,
Is from the verb
λέω,
to tell in this context.
λέω.
Last is
Σύντομα,
soon.
σύντομα, σύντομα.
Together
Τα λέμε σύντομα.
means something like we tell them soon, but translates as see you soon.
Τα λέμε σύντομα.
Τα λέμε σύντομα.
Is fairly informal, which indicates a close relationship between Karen and Penelope Tsanakaki, her former homestay mother. Do you remember how Sasha says, good night?
Καληνύχτα.
Καληνύχτα,
Literally means good night.
καληνύχτα.
Καληνύχτα.
You can use
Καληνύχτα.
good night when you don't plan on seeing someone again that night. Do you remember how Ben says, rest well?
Καλή ξεκούραση.
First is
Καλή,
good.
καλή, καλή.
Next is
Ξεκούραση,
rest.
ξεκούραση, ξεκούραση.
Altogether,
Καλή ξεκούραση.
literally, have a good rest, but it translates as rest well. You can use
Καλή ξεκούραση.
rest well when someone is about to go to bed. Do you remember how Penelope says, see you later?
Τα λέμε αργότερα.
First is
Τα λέμε,
see you.
τα λέμε.
Next is
Αργότερα,
later.
αργότερα, αργότερα.
Altogether,
Τα λέμε αργότερα.
see you later.
Τα λέμε αργότερα.
Let's look at the parting greetings once more. Listen and repeat or speak along with me. Τα λέμε σύντομα. Τα λέμε σύντομα. Καληνύχτα. Καληνύχτα. Τα λέμε αργότερα. Τα λέμε αργότερα. Καλή ξεκούραση. Καλή ξεκούραση. Τα λέμε. Τα λέμε. Γεια. Γεια. Did you notice the last two parting expressions I used?
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool, so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Τα λέμε.
See you.
Γεια.
Bye.
Τα λέμε.
See you. You can use this greeting when you are sure you'll meet the other person again.
Γεια.
Bye
Γεια.
translates as bye in this context.
Γεια. Γεια.
Remember,
Γεια.
can be used as a parting greeting meaning bye, as well as a greeting meaning hi.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say see you? Τα λέμε. Τα λέμε. And how to say see you soon? Τα λέμε σύντομα. Τα λέμε σύντομα. Do you remember how to say good night? Καληνύχτα. Καληνύχτα. And how to say rest well? Καλή ξεκούραση. Καλή ξεκούραση. Do you remember how to say see you later? Τα λέμε αργότερα. Τα λέμε αργότερα.
Let's practice. Imagine you're Mark Lee and you're talking with Penelope Tsanakaki. Respond by saying good night. Ready?
Καληνύχτα.
Καληνύχτα.
Listen again and repeat.
Καληνύχτα. Καληνύχτα.
Let's try another. Imagine you're Sasha Lee and you're finishing class. Respond by saying, see you soon. Ready?
Τα λέμε σύντομα. Τα λέμε σύντομα.
Listen again and repeat.
Τα λέμε σύντομα. Τα λέμε σύντομα.
Let's try one more. Imagine you're Ben Lee and you're finishing coffee with your college friend, Leah. Respond by saying, bye. Ready?
Τα λέμε.
Γεια.
Listen again and repeat.
Γεια. Γεια.
This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Now you know how to use parting greetings in Greek. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.